Okay, what's going on guys? So in this video I want to talk about alternative methods or ways in which you can do some product research and find some products that have some great potential that you could eventually sell on Amazon yourself. Now the first would be going onto Facebook and typing in Amazon reviews. Once you do that, you'll see that there are literally hundreds of Amazon review groups. So they are set up for people who either want to sell and promote their product and give a discount away, or people that are looking for a bargain can go on there, see some products and go, do you know what, I might have a piece of that if it's 50% off or whatever the deal is. So I'm just going to show you one that I'm already a member of. It's not hard to become a member, you just have to answer a few questions. Some of them are, you can just join and be accepted instantaneously. So all you will do is scroll through these and you will just see every single day there'll be hundreds of different people uploading pictures of products that they want to give away to you on a discount, either to rank their product higher or in exchange for a review. And all you have to do is scroll through and just see what sort of products are on offer. It's as simple as that. So here we've got a microfiber duster, some Christmas pillow covers, some solar garden lights with LED like smart plugs, smart bulbs, balaclava mask for the UK, certain types of masks, LED fireworks, hair chalk, blackhead remover, wax warmer. As you can see, you could do this all day long and there will literally be thousands and thousands of products and it will be continuously updated. And there's no limit to how many of these groups you can join. So this is a great way of you coming across products that have some potential that some people have already done their homework with and they know that the products have potential and you can get involved with. You might find a product, it'll jog your mind and go, oh, do you know what, that's a great idea. For instance, here you've got a phone case which is also a battery charger and portable power bank. Now, you might not have been aware of this, but bang, there you go, you've got one idea. You could think, oh, that's great, so I could talk to a supplier, maybe I could add something else to this. It's just a great way of finding products that maybe people aren't finding the conventional way, which is using product research and software like Jungle Scout. And the second method I want to talk about is Jumpsend. So if you head over to jumpsend.com, Jumpsend is an email sequence service, which we will touch on later on in this course, but they also have a deals page. And what this page is for is people like us who want to launch our product and offer a discount in order to get some momentum going to rank our product higher, and also people that are looking for a good deal. Just like in the Facebook review groups, you can come on here, if you see something you like the look of, depending on what the discount is, you can now apply a discount code that the seller will give you, and then voila, you've got 50% off of an item that you like. But it's also a great way for us as Amazon sellers to find products that have some great potential. So you could scroll through here, the deals page, you can click what marketplace you want, US or UK. I always stick with the US because there's so many more products available, it's such a big market. And just scroll through. And you could sit and do this, and like I say, with this, maybe every hour or so, they're constantly been updated and constantly having new products added to the list. Just gives you some ideas, some inspiration. Maybe you'll come across something that looks really good and then that will trigger something off in your brain to maybe find something else and pair the two together. It's an amazing way. It's a way that not a lot of people talk about or even maybe think about in order for you to find great products that have great potential, and the majority of the work's already been done for you because most of these sellers, I'd imagine, have already done their product research, they've already done their homework, they've already checked the numbers out, and there you go, you've just had it handed to you on a plate. Now I'm not saying don't look at it as stealing someone's product and don't copy and paste an exact product. I'd never recommend doing that, but it's just a way to trigger something off in your brain to maybe make you think, to give you an idea. Just to make something, trigger off in your brain and go, well, that's a great product. I've never even thought about that. And, and then you go further down the rabbit hole, and before you know it, you found successful products. I myself have had quite a few successful products doing this exact method. So anyway, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, what's going on, guys and girls? So in this video, I want to show you exactly how to work out what your exact net profit margins will be once all of your associated costs have been taken away. Now, first thing you're going to have to do is download this Amazon FBA calculator. It's completely free. I'll leave a link in the description on the document down below. So once you click on that, head over to the Google store, download it. It's completely free. You're then going to want to head over to Amazon and find a product that is as close as possible to what you plan on selling. So for this example, I'm going to use the world famous garlic press. Let's just say you want to sell a garlic press on Amazon. So you're going to type in garlic press. You can find one that looks very similar to yours, so we'll just go with Amazon's choice for now. So let's just say you plan on selling a garlic press, and this is the, find a product that's very closely related to yours in terms of size, and then you just click on the FBA calculator. Now once it loads up, ignore what it's showing you for now because this is working out what the profits are on this exact product. So first thing you want to do is notice that there's FBA or FBM. Always make sure it will start on FBA, make sure it stays on FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. That's what we want. We don't want to be FBM. Then you're going to type in your product price. So this price will be what you plan on selling the product for. So let's just say you want to come into market and you want to sell a garlic press at $11.50. Next, you're going to type in what your product cost is, and what that is what each unit has cost you. So you're going to work that out quite simply by however many units you're buying and how much your supplier is going to charge you. So let's just say your product costs $1.30. And then lastly, you're going to put your ship to Amazon fee. So this is what it's going to cost you to ship one of your products to the Amazon warehouse. So it's quite simple. The amount of units that you order, let's just say you order 500 and your shipping quote was $500. You know that it's cost you $1 to ship each of your units. You're going to divide the amount of units you have by the amount of how much they've charged you to ship it, and you're going to get your answer. So let's just say, for example, this would be quite cheap to ship. So it costs 40 cents per garlic press in order to ship them to the States. And then you're just going to hit calculate. And as you can see, the calculator will do everything for you. It's going to show you that your net margin here is 42% and your net profitability per unit sold after all of Amazon's fees are taken into account and what you yourself have paid your supplier and for shipping, you're left with $4.84. So there's only a few things you're going to worry about here. The referral fee, which is $1.73, that's 15% of whatever your product's listing price is. 15%, that's always going to be the same. Next would be your pick and pack fee, which is $3.19. That's what Amazon charge you to, get your product ready in the warehouse, send the guy down the aisle to get it and take it back to wherever it's got to be sent off to. There's going to be a monthly storage fee, but I wouldn't pay too much attention to that. It's never really going to be applicable because you're going to get to a point where you know how many units you sell every month, and that's exactly how many you're going to order. So if you've got a few left over, like 5, who's to worry? It's only ever going to cost you a few cents, so you're barely going to notice that cost. So once Amazon's taken all of their fees away, you're left with a net profitability of $4.84 per unit sold, which is a 42% profit margin. The only thing left to take into consideration now is your tax. Now, obviously, I can't tell you exactly what you will be taxed because I know in the States it's different from state to state. I'm from the UK, but there are different tax laws all over the world. Wherever I sell, there's different sort of obligations I have to fulfill. And also, it depends on how much you earn. I mean, an Amazon seller that earns $2 million a year is not going to be taxed in the same amount that someone who's earned $15,000, $20,000 a year. So make sure you understand that once you've got your net margin here, which is 42%, you're then going to have to take off what you know you will be taxed. So speak to an accountant, they'll be able to advise you best on this situation. But this is how you're going to work out what the exact net profit margins would be on a potential product that you want to sell on Amazon.